have to control your passenger boy when they tell me just better than me tell him.
But I you.
I wonder if you think a policeman can lock me up, so. Boy, you idiot, me pay a policeman to arrest me. Move out of my face and drive the van. You don't tell the boy to stop customer road to me. You think I beg me beg you drive?
I'm the customer road on the beer.
Hold on, you know the gang and you ain't in there when he comes. I style you know. You can't style me, you know. You can't style me, because I'm police boy and put that handcuff on this. You go and laugh with that. Let me tell you.
Gang driver.
Because you don't know me. You radio man to go be and ask me. Like your ma and you.
It's you.
Me I hear you, me no Dave.
Good. There are the persons in the car.
No, you must listen me.
Hold on.
You
Hold
be
on.
ask him when cuss me
Miss.
say. I me cuss him back.
Miss.
Because me not there in the way.
You know me can't take you out of the vehicle, right?
Yeah, but you can't lock me up. You have to call the police girl
Can't
to
take
do
you out
that.
of the vehicle because you
You-
disturb the other
And
persons
what about when
on
you...
the vehicle.
Go away.
And so
Go
therefore,
away. And you me the talk. You know, you come back
Therefore.
on you, me a cuss.
therefore,
So when you cuss, what happen?
I am asking
You see me more lock up.
Therefore, I'm asking you to cease and desist from disturbing the persons on the vehicle.
And
until
tell
you
him
check
to
the
no cuss to
situation.
me, because as you move off and him cuss me back.
Nobody not cuss you,
Sir?
man.
You me the talk.
I
You.
know my man, I know my
Who is it?
man.
Who is it?
You. This is
Nobody
the one
not
now.
cuss him,
Nobody
machine
not
The
cuss
them.
eye
him.
boy. The